Now we're going to go right to the phones today. I believe we have Kevin listening in with a question about eczema. Kevin, you're live and welcome aboard.
Thank you, Doctor. Love listening to you. I've got my sister. She's 5'1", 170, and then she's also weighty, so we need to get her on that, but I guess that's a second month thing.
Okay, yeah. So here's the deal with that. Let's talk about that first. So the weight gain, when somebody is overweight, they've got too much fat in their body. The reason that they have too much fat in their body is because they're under nutrified and their body is starving for nutrients. So the body, your central nervous system, makes you eat. It's not psychological, it's not genetic, it's not behavioral, it's not a lack of exercise, it's a simple nutrient deficiency disease. And your central nervous system knows that it's running on fumes because it has wisdom that MDs completely, overlook and deny, quite frankly. So your body is pushing you to eat in the desperate attempt to fill up its nutritional tank. The only problem is the stuff you're eating doesn't have the nutrients in it. The food that you're eating doesn't have it. So you eat 3,000 calories at Olive Garden, and 2 hours later, guess what? You're hungry again. It's crazy, right? So now we've got all this fat on the body. And what are we going to do? Well, we're going to start to nutrify the body with the 90 essential nutrients, 90 for life. So we clean up our diet, stop eating the bad foods. We take the nutritional supplements into the body, feed the body nutritionally, and when the body's vitamin and mineral and amino acid and essential fatty acid tank is filled up from high-quality, easy-to-absorb nutritional supplements, your cravings disappear. So then what happens? Well, your body starts to burn fat, because that's what it does. It'll burn fat. The only problem is most of the nasty crap that and that's a medical term, by the way, that we experience in the environment, like carbon monoxide and secondhand smoke and petrochemicals and, pesticides on our food and all this stuff. All of these exogenous nasty chemicals that we're exposed to just in our walkabout life are stored by the body most often in fat. The body will stick that crap in fat to get it out of the way, because most nasty crap is fat soluble. So your body sequesters it away in fatty tissue to get it out of the normal circulation. Now, when you start to burn fat, guess what happens? You liberate all those chemicals. And then they're nasty. The body stuck them away someplace for a reason. And also, by the way, in order to detoxify those nasty chemicals, your body needs nutrients. And so if you don't have enough nutrients in your body, and you go, on a dedicated fast or some aggressive method to burn fat and lose weight, it's like stirring up a hornet's nest. Because you will burn fat, you're going to liberate all these chemicals, they're going to enter your circulation again, go into your liver. Your liver is going to try to deconstruct them, but it won't have the nutrients that it needs to. So the nasty crap passes right through your liver, unobstructed. It's like the enemy coming through the front walls of the gates of the castle. It's all over for you, baby. So aggressive weight loss without proper nutritional supplementation to promote healthy detoxification is a fool's errand. And in order to handle the stress of that, your body needs to be nutrified. So that's the kind of foundation idea behind the method of first we nutrify, and then we detoxify, and then we rapidly lose weight. So, when people go on the good food, bad food diet and start to take the 90 essential nutrients appropriate for the body weight, they'll lose about 1 pound a week, sometimes 2 pounds a week, and that's slow and steady, baby. But more importantly, you're going to be filling up your body's nutritional tank. That takes 2 or 3 months, and then after you've been doing the program for 2 or 3 months in a slow and steady fashion, if you want to accelerate it and move it forward while you're maintaining the 90 essential nutrients.